Hi there! Thank you for watching this video on app smashing Noteflight with Soundtrap. So app smashing is a term coined by Greg Kulwick. It's where you take two apps, two tools on the internet and combine them to make an awesome project. So I'm going to demo how to go from Noteflight, create a project, and then move into Soundtrap. So I'm here in Noteflight, and I'm going to go to my project. This is my project. I totally made this. I'm just kidding. But it's really great, and I want to put it into Soundtrap to remix it, add some cool trap beats, stuff like that. So when I'm done with it, I'm going to go up here. I'm actually going to move myself so I can show you. This means export. It'll actually, if you hover, it'll say export. You're going to click on it, and you'll see there's lots of options, but I'm going to choose Open in Soundtrap. I'm going to continue. And now we're in Soundtrap, and here's my project. If I want to, there's a few things I can do. I can click on this icon, the piano icon over there, change the instrument. So it doesn't have to be a grand piano. It could be something really scary. Let's see, maybe not horror FX, but let's try clavinet. Let's see if that sounds pretty cool. And Darth Vader. It's got like an 1800s Darth Vader vibe. And then from there, you can do anything you like in Soundtrap, right? You can add Patterns Beatmaker. Like I said, I can add a trap beat to it. I can add loops to it. There's so many things that you can do in Soundtrap. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you try it with your students. I tried it with mine. They would create something in Noteflight, move it to Soundtrap, remix, edit it, make it even cooler, and let us know how it goes. Bye.